Hey, I have an intern. Yes, some mad creature has decided to join me. Yeah, upon the gloves, join me in my workshop. I've got him on the old hand plane, I have. He's never used one before, have you, Leo?
Like this?
Yes, look at that. look at what he's been creating. Shavings. And it's the first time he's ever used a hand plane. But I'll tell you one thing. He wouldn't have been creating those shavings if it wasn't for me. If you know what I mean. Because the hand plane needed a little bit of fettling. And this happens to be a footprint. No, it's a Faithfull. It's a Faithfull hand plane. Yeah, it's Faithfull. Not a footprint. What? It's a Faithfull. There we go. Look, there it is. Yes. And how much was this?
60, 70 euros.
About 60 or 70 euros. Here in France, yeah? Yeah, 60, 70 euros here in France. I recommend Faithfull. But, okay, what was wrong with this Faithfull hand plane? It was Faithfull? I don't know. I don't know what get up to him in his private life. But you see, the plane iron, the blade, was a little bit long. Yeah, that's what I told the missus about my tool. But anyway, the plane iron was a little bit on the long side, and because it was on the long side, you couldn't retract the plane iron all the way. No, bit silly. Why can't they get that little bit right? Okay, but they didn't. We sharpened it up, and it's very sharp now, isn't it? We shaved the bits that we did, you know, very dangerous, I'll tell you. We took turns on each other. Yeah, anyway, we don't get into that because that's for another channel. Yeah, if you know what I mean. But anyway, so the plane iron is actually seen to be very good steel. You get a nice sharp edge on it, but a little bit of fettling was required. Like I say, it needed to be shortened. The sole is reasonably flat. It isn't perfectly flat, but it's reasonably flat. And I'm actually quite impressed with it. Now, for me, I would probably say, okay, I'm going to make it a new knob. Because I don't like that kind of knob. I'm going to make it a new tote. Because I'm not that keen on that type of tote. No. And as you know, that's what I do in most of my hand planes. Now, if you're regular to the channel, that is, I might be tempted to change the plane iron for a thicker one, but actually it works pretty darn well. For which Leo is going to demonstrate. Yeah, get your hands off my number 5, you. Yeah, use your own tools. What are you like? Believe me. Good. They don't make them like they used to, you know. Poor sod. Look at this crazy creature. He chose me as his intern, all right? He's doing two days this week because I had things I had to do last week. But yeah, 2 days this week. But on the 28th, he's going to be with us, what, 10 days or 9 days, 10 days or something?
I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, something like that. He's not sure yet. He's probably going to go. He's going to leave me. He's going to bugger off. He's had enough already. But yeah, he's creating shavings, all right, already, okay? We sorted out his tools, so I hope he's happy with that. And we're going to sort out his chisels later, because they need a bit of fettling as well. So yes, I've been giving up my time for him. I hope he appreciates it.
Look at this.
The one. Look at that, all right? Oh, that's a funny one. So that little Faithfull hand plane makes perfectly good shavings. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, have a look at his shavings. Okay, that one's fit. That's when we had the plane iron over to one side using the screw. It's thinner on one side, it is on the other. And he's trying to level the board, make it, you know, square. That's absolutely fine. I'm actually quite impressed with the tool. For that price, with a little bit of fettling, there's goes my compressor. With a little bit of fettling, it's absolutely fine. It does a really good job. And it's actually quite nice to use. I was actually, yeah. And considering I've got them on my website, then I recommend them. It was good to actually see a brand new one, because the last ones I got to play with were from my friends, and they're a little bit, you know, a bit older. And you don't know if things have changed, new castings, maybe they've got a new, I don't know, manufacturer or something. But, you know, brand new tool, 60, 70 euros. It's a bargain. I think it's a bargain. I definitely recommend it. As long as you're willing to put a little bit of work into it and make it into a really good tool. So, yeah, definitely. I'm just inspecting his shavings, okay? They're actually pretty darn good, really. Yeah, they're not bad at all. He's got where he starts off, and you've got obviously the little skinnier shavings and what have you, because it's rough sawn timber, it's the pallet wood. Yeah, I'm not going to get all my good stuff, am I? Not yet. No, not the walnut or the oak or the cherry or no, definitely not the green heart. No, yeah, that'll certainly take the edge off. But yeah, I'm impressed. Yeah, that's good. I think he's doing a marvellous job. He's still got about 50 boards to do. but he's nearly there. He will get that mechanical skill, that you will. He will become in tune with his tool, that you will. Yeah, not that tool, that tool. Okay, don't get the wrong idea, you dirty old buggers, you. Anyway, it's time for me to go, so I'm going to say toodaloo, you know. What are you going to say?
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo? He's got to go to toodaloo.
Toodaloo. Monsieur.
So he's Swiss, French, yes, French-speaking Swissman. Swiss. Is that right?
Oui, oui, oui.
Oui, oui, oui. And he needs a toilet. Oui, oui, oui. Anyway, toodaloo.
Toodaloo.